Hello creative minds, welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of visual effects and scripting to unlock your full creative potential. Today, we are embarking on a fascinating journey into the heart of Adobe After Effects scripting, the ExtendScript language. Whether you are a beginner or looking to sharpen your advanced skills, this tutorial is crafted just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Ready to transform your After Effects projects with scripting? Let's get started. ExtendScript is Adobe's extended form of JavaScript, designed to bridge the gap between your creativity and the technical execution in applications like Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and of course After Effects. It adheres to the ecma 262 specification, ensuring you are learning a standardized form of JavaScript, but with a powerful twist tailored for Adobe applications. Imagine having the ability to automate repetitive tasks, manipulate project elements, or even extend the functionality of After Effects beyond its default capabilities. That's the power of ExtendScript. It supports the third edition of ecma 262 standard, covering everything from notational and lexical conventions to types, objects, expressions, and statements. Plus, it dives deep into the E4X ecma 357 specification, allowing you to seamlessly work with XML data. But there's more. ExtendScript introduces a global debugging object, known as the $object, alongside a reporting utility through the ExtendScript reflection interface. These tools are your best friends in debugging and refining your scripts to perfection. Working with files and folders across different operating systems can be a headache. Thankfully, ExtendScript defines file and folder objects, providing a uniform way to access the file system no matter your operating system. Ever thought of designing your own user interface for your scripts? The Script UI user interface module in ExtendScript makes this possible. It offers an object model for Windows and UI control elements, empowering you to craft custom user interfaces that can interact directly with your scripts. ExtendScript doesn't stop there. It also offers a plethora of tools and utilities, including a localization utility for multi-language support and global functions for displaying dialog boxes, alert, confirm, and prompt, enhancing the interactivity of your scripts. And for those looking to take their scripts to the next level, ExtendScript provides a socket object for external communication, allowing your scripts to interact with remote systems. Plus, the seamless inter-application communication across Adobe applications through scripts opens up a world of possibilities for automating and enhancing your workflow across the Adobe suite. Excited about unleashing the full potential of ExtendScript in your After Effects projects? Start experimenting today. And remember, the only limit is your imagination. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creatives, and consider subscribing for more insightful tutorials. Got questions? Or is there a specific topic you want us to cover? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Stay creative and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore, create, and inspire every day with your projects. This is your go-to channel for mastering After Effects scripting and beyond. Happy scripting, and until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of your creativity.